Happening today, the arguments over Proposition 208 head to the Arizona Supreme Court. Voters approving this measure in November. Opponents are working to see it doesn't take effect, though. Carla Navarrete live this morning. Carla, this has been an ongoing fight over school funding that really has lasted years now. So what's this latest step?
Absolutely, definitely years. It's been 3 years coming up next week, Nick. I will tell you, since Red for Ed movement took off, we saw tens of thousands of people marching down to the state capitol, all trying to raise awareness about the situation for education. Now, it looks as if the courts will have their final say, though, on the constitutionality, as you mentioned, of Prop 208, which passed by voters in November of 2020. Now, opponents say the measure is unconstitutional. They claim that the money raised by the tax increase would exceed the spending cap in the state's constitution. In addition, attorneys will argue that the tax increase needed 2/3 of voters and not the simple majority that it got in November. Now, attorneys for the measure's proponents are primarily representing the Arizona Education Association and the nonprofit Stand for Children. They say it's simply too early to challenge the measures simply because thus no money has been collected yet. The income tax affects the 2021 earnings, and taxes for 2021 aren't due until 2022. Now, we spoke with the executive director for Stand for Children, who says education in Arizona has just gotten too political.
The court needs to act impartially and remain independent. And we're concerned that they're getting a lot of political pressure from the executive and the legislative branches.
Okay, so the 7 justices will listen to arguments on both sides starting today. Though we know no decision will be made just yet. You can watch that live stream, all thanks to the state Supreme Court that will be airing that live on their website. For now, reporting live in the East Valley, I'm Carla Navarrete, ABC 15, Arizona.
All right, Carla, thank you very much.